Bulkhead. This thing's a pain in the ass. I've got a horrible curve that just above. Where's my finger? It's hard to do in reverse. Just above here, my finger on the back wall, where that silver line is, the line between the auto carpet and the non-auto carpet, right above the windscreen. It's nice, but it's curved. It's got like a. So if you're looking at it from above, it's curved like that to follow the contour of the front of the van, which is a nightmare to try and cut out a piece of plyboard for, because I want up to this here back to be a cubby hole. Now, I don't know enough about woodwork to do this, so nightmare. Like I say, wish I could just pay someone to do it. Right, where else we're going with this? So, another thing I'm doing here, looking up. The roof system, I've got this horrific looking hole in the roof here, which is a bit of a mess. I've got my nice vent right here, and my plan is, this is made just perfectly so that a HEPA filter from out of a couple of very common car brands here in the UK fit perfectly in this space. Now a lot of this is going to get cut out, this insulation, which is a bit of a shame, but oh well, shit happens I guess. I can soon put a little bit of insulation in there just to cover it up, and it's going to have some nice big fans chucked in here, and a big distribution system for air, which is going to be like little blowers and things. My plan is 48 volts, 2 fans on a what is it called? 3-phase speed controller, because I want the fans to be 3-phase. And to cover it all the mess, I've still got the original wood panel. I'm going to cover the whole of the roof in that vinyl checker plate looking vinyl, so it looks like aluminium check plate, which is going to be good because it's going to reflect the light. Anyway, I've got to go now. I've been told I've got to do jobs, so thanks all for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.